Stuff said, you know, we could put something creative into this and make it real funky.
Yeah. I mean, now that we're gonna have it, we can do anything with it. We can cut it in pieces, segments. We can make a whole.
Down here, and since the beginnings of our project, we're going to be doing a little one-hole pitch and putt course, and it's a work in progress. It's going to
be just so you know, this
step
isn't
number
the
one
size,
here is getting
that's
the
just square
foundation
yardage.
for it. The balls are
That's
going
how
to
we
roll
set it
real
up.
nice on this surface, and we've got a big enough piece, 6 by
12.
6 by 12 plus a little extra, and we're going to roll with it.
Cool.
And so we're going to build off of this.
How's it going? Hot one out here. I redid it. I took them out and I want to get this corner good, but it looks nicer, I think.
It looks tight.
Yeah. Hard to get these any deep because then we're like hugging the edge. Once we get this corner down, I think that should be easy. Besides, I don't know what that corner with the overlap situation.
Just cut it in early.
We'll see how much space there is with all of this.
Just have a little overhang, but cut it in.
Well, I don't know, but I've been told you never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down, I'm tired of my...
So this is what it looks like so far.
Good over here. It's not horrible. Yeah, definitely. He didn't have just 2 short pieces of metal in the shed. That could have helped us a lot here.
Well, we didn't look in too far.
That ripple thing is tough.
Yeah.
If we just have any piece of metal. Anything sharp and anything, you're gonna feel it.
It's that kind of project. What about rolling the ball once just to see how it goes? You think we could do this for like bowling alleys?
Yeah, we could. Now we got experience. We could definitely make a bowling alley. Yeah, look at that roll.
What kind of par are we looking at here?
Solid 2.
2 for what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hits. Does it bounce back? Okay.
That's a big rock too, so it's gonna be like pinball. They're slowly gonna start breaking over time.
Now, how do you make it like 2 layers? Like an upper.
Something on top.
Yeah, but we could use like that ladder.
And the parts that aren't super flat, we could cheat it and put something there.
Is that why there's sand pits and
We're
stuff?
gonna need something better than that. Besides, I think if that was
Let's
out,
go see what the garage. All right, it's coming together very smoothly. No problems whatsoever. We're in a really good mood. It's only 70% humidity and 86 degrees out. And there's no mosquitoes, so that's always a good thing. Hit it harder. There you go.
I'm in like a swamp right now.
There's a lot of crickets. I have a feeling we're going to be $1 short.
This is the first time I hit somebody to hold it. You know how hard this was to hold both sides along?
It was hot out. You don't think I want to be out here?
almost it. Already like halfway through that box. This is a perfect amount for this thing. 3 was definitely the way to go. Oh, wow, that one went in. We're in like a wet zone here, so he's kind of slipping on the road.
Oh, things are going to my eye. Hurry before you lose me.
So it's just 2, maybe you might want 1 extra here. I don't know. Let's see.
Not really grabbing on.
No. It's really to grab on too.
Hit it harder. We gotta go deep.
The first deep one. Yeah, you don't really enough to hit. Okay, let's just have 1 extra. Oh. Where did this go? Yeah, let's just have 1 extra. It's just about even. And then I'm gonna start hitting them hard. Not even hitting them in, but not even quite in the grass back here, but I hope we fix it on the side right here. This would be a good area to put the plants in the back.